si Eileen. She came to me 2 years ago. She's a first home buyer. That was the time during the pandemic. She was looking for finance pero nakapag-down payment na siya sa property na to sa Liverpool. Eileen, please tell us how you found this property and how did you get to your decision? Ready na ako bumili ng first home ko. Kasi I know you've been here for a long time, since 2011. Pero dito lang 2021 ka nag-decide na bumili ng bahay.
Saving for me is not the topmost priority because first of all, as a Filipino, ate, alam mo to na pag Filipino ka, nag-amot ka sa pamilya mo.
Sa Manila.
Tapos you also extend help to friends. Medyo mahirap mag-ipon. Naalala kong payo ng kaibigan ko, yung isa sabi, it's better for me to own a property.
Yeah.
At least all the money will go there or it will become my top priority. And another friend told me na kung wala ka pang pera, you will find a way. Basta pag napasok mo yan, you will really find a way. So, it didn't took me too long na to take the plunge, ate.
Paano mo naman nakita itong lugar na to at itong apartment na to?
My friend, actually. My friend brought me here. Sinabi niya na siya yung nagsabi sa akin na kumuha ka na ng property mo para yung pera mo mapupunta doon sa property. So, ang problema, parang ito yung pinakaunang property na nakita ko. Tapos, sinunggaban ko na agad. Parang hindi na ako nag-look around, which is a mistake na hindi ko nire-recommend sa mga viewers mo.
Pero sinwerte ka kasi tinitingnan ko apartment mo, ang ganda-ganda, ang ganda ng view, may park sa gilid.
Swerte din sa builder kasi maganda yung pagkakagawa.
Maganda ang pagkagawa, alright?
Kaya parang wala na akong nireklamo after nila i-turn over sa akin.
Magkano ang savings mo at that time? Kwentuhan mo naman kami.
I found this property 2021. The purchase price is 450,000. So the real estate agent told me that I might be considered for the
5% no LMI at the time. That was during the pandemic. Mayroong in-offer ng government. You can buy a house or an apartment with just a 5% deposit. Hindi ka magbabayad ng no mortgage insurance.
So that was the good news na sabi ng real estate agent ko. If the purchase price is 450,000, she will require me 250,000 deposit.
No, 22,500
deposit. So at that point, I only have 20,000.
At 20 lang ang pera mo at the time. Okay?
So the real estate agent offered help. Told me that she can shoulder the 2,500 and I will just pay her later on. But at the end, I was able to come up with the 22,000.
Na-save mo rin yung 2,500.
The good thing is, the real estate agent also told me that the developer will offer 10,000 cashback.
Wow! May 10,000 cashback ka pa sa developer.
And also, yes, and also 10,000 from the government.
I think that's the first homeowner's grant. Na if you buy a property dapat bago, less than 600,000, makakuha ka ng 10,000 sa gobyerno. Ito, fits all. Bago, it's only 450,000. Yes. So, pasok yun.
If I made a deposit of 22,500, 10,000 from the developer, 10,000 from the government, in the end,
parang wala ka nilabas.
Parang
So, that's what actually prompted you to get this unit noong time na yun. That was June 2021, di ba? Nag-sign ka. Kasi matagal pa hindi pa kita magagawa ng loan. Kulang ka pa naman 1 o 2 buwan. If you're a first home buyer, speak to us, give us a call. My name is Maria Papa. I've been doing mortgage broking in the last 11 years. My number is 04301-44008. You can email me at mpapa@maverickfinance.com.au. You can check out our website. We're on LinkedIn, we're on Facebook, we're on Twitter, we're on Instagram. Just Google us and you'll find us.